Go, keep eating. Tristan can eat his bottle now. Hold his own bottle. Good job, buddy. You're getting so big. You're going to be 5 months in 2 more days. I can't even believe it. You're tilting it, kinda. Okay, there we go. Good job. What? Look at that milk face. Who's the milk face? Who's got a milky face? Hi, Tristan.
Wait, I left without my shoe?
Say hi, Mama. You staring at the light on the camera? Huh? Want your bottle back, babe? Here you go. Good boy. Love you.